In the last video, I have shown you how to upload the Laravel project from Docker desktop to the hosting a shared platform under subdomain. So in this video, we are going to see how to run the cron jobs. So what I have done is we need to go to our websites, okay? And then what we need to do is we need to come down. So I'm going to my primary domain over here, going to the dashboard. Okay, so you can see all of my uh, files here, so all of my details here, and then what we need to do, we need to come down, okay, go to the advanced options over here, and then what we need to do is we need to go to cron jobs. Okay, this is my SSH, so I'm already logged in using putty over here. Okay, and let me go to the cron jobs now. So if I go to cron jobs over here, you can see this is my primary domain cron jobs. Okay, so now for my subdomain cron jobs, so as you can see, my application is in public underscore HTML and inside a jobs folder. So this is my Laravel application that is running on my subdomain. Okay. So now to run the cron job, what I need to do is we have already set up the cron job as you have seen in my last video. So so I can show you in my routes in my console.php. If I edit, we have this for every 10 and 5 seconds. Okay. So this cron jobs are running, and in this cron job there is just a log file that will print some data, okay, some information, and that will be displayed into our log file. Okay, so we will test this now using the cron jobs of Hostinger. So we have already seen the cron jobs on the Docker desktop. Now it is the time we see it on the Hostinger platform, shared hosting. Okay, so once I do this, so now I'll close this file. Okay, since we have our two jobs, so now let's create our cron jobs over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same path over here, and here I'm going to put artisan and after public.html, that is jobs, because our new Laravel application is in jobs folder, and run. Okay, so once I do this, so I'll make it every minute. Okay, every minute and every hour. Okay, but remember, a cron job will run every 5 seconds, and one cron job will run every 10 seconds. So it is scheduled in Laravel. Okay, and in this we are doing it every minute. Okay, so every second. I mean every minute. I mean we are doing it. So you can see every minute it's going to run. Okay, so then. So we run this command. So this command will run every minute. So we save this. Okay. Next command, what we need to do is we need to again copy this. Okay. And let's paste this over here on top. Okay. And we need this now. The queue works, top one empty. Okay. So now I'm doing this. Okay. And again, I'm going to use the same settings over here. That is every minute, every hour, every day, every month, okay, and every weekday. Okay, so I'm going to save this settings over here, and you can see that this is also running. So one more thing what I want to show you is clear, and I'm in my jobs directory, okay, and then sometimes their jobs will fail and give you some error because you don't have permissions to access this directory. In that case, what we need to do is we need to copy this command. Okay, we need to copy this command. So we need to give access If the artisan command cannot be accessed from the shared hosting, so I'm giving this command over here, so then it will be able to access it. So if I view the output over here, there is no output yet. If I view the output over here, so you can see that my cron job is running and this is the output that I'm getting. So it is running after every 5 seconds and 10 seconds. So now if I go to my directory here in jobs directory, and if I go to my storage, okay, logs. Okay, you can see the log file has been created, and if I try to edit it, you can see that all the logs are printing from the job files. So in the job files, I have put this log. So I can also show you that if I go on top and if I go on jobs over here, you can see if I edit this, you can see I put a log here. So you can see that my logs have been running and it is successfully printing into the log file, and my jobs are being running using the cron jobs on Hostinger. So if you have any queries, so you can put it into the comments. So do watch my previous videos to get a understanding how I did all of this. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.